classes at school?
Tonight is our STEM fair and art night. We had the students do their science fair projects. They brought them in. They're all displayed.
He likes a warm hand right now.
If you want people to learn science, you have to put it in their hands. They have to experience it. It has to be fun. You want to make them want to be a part of it, and learn by doing. It's the best way.
What do you see? We just came to see this amazing event, and also just to see the science project that we went on with him being displayed in there.
The theme for this year was the Everglades, so I put the kids to start learning about the environment, the habitats on the Everglades, and everybody did a project. I put the glow-in-the-dark lights in my classroom and neon paintings, and every day really get engaged.
The glowing art show, it's amazing, really cool. The kids did learn a lot about the different Everglades species while they were doing their art. They did research.
Great family night overall.